What's up guys, everything in one back here with another video. Finally, it's time to unbox the Mi Mix 2S, which is the first smartphone from China to feature the Snapdragon 845 chipset. So, let's get into the unboxing. So here is the phone itself. When it comes to the front design, the Mi Mix 2S appears quite similar to the Mi Mix 2. Company Xiaomi has slightly reduced the size of the bottom bezel that features a selfie camera at the right corner. The slim-sized upper bezel features an earpiece. It has an IPS LCD full-screen 2.0 display that measures 5.99 inches, and it offers Full HD Plus resolution of 2160 into 1080 pixels. Also, the screen delivers an aspect ratio of 18:9, carries support for DCI-P3 color gamut. The Mi Mix 2S features a 7000 series aluminum frame and four-sided curved ceramic body. It is available in black and white color options. The dual camera module at the back is surrounded by gold and silver accents, and it increases the beauty of the smartphone. Really, the phone looks very beautiful in this white color option. It has vertically placed dual rear cameras at the back, along with the fingerprint sensor. Overall, really, an excellent finish by Xiaomi. The Snapdragon 845 chipset coupled with artificial intelligence powers the Mi Mix 2S. It is packed with Quick Charge 3.0 and it has enough 3400 mAh of battery. It has three variants, 6 plus 64 GB, 6 plus 128 GB and 8 plus 256 GB RAM and ROM configurations. The Mi Mix 2S is running on Android 8.0 Oreo, that is flavored with the latest MIUI 9.5, that brings along support for full-screen gestures. However, the interface is quite snappy and fluid for a smooth day-to-day use. As you can see, the gestures are looking quite smooth with a fluid animation. Good job by Xiaomi. However, if you want, you can disable the gestures through settings. As for other features, the front camera of the Mi Mix 2S also works as face unlock feature, but the bad news is that it does not feature the most important 3.5mm headphone jack. Disappointing. The Mi Mix 2S is the first phone in its series to feature a vertically aligned dual cameras. It features a 12-megapixel Sony IMX363 wide-angle lens with f/1.8 aperture that has a pixel size of 1.4 micron as the primary sensor. It is coupled with a secondary 12-megapixel telephoto lens that carries support for 2x optical zoom. Also, the dual rear cameras can capture impressive bokeh effect shots by effectively blurring the background and focusing more on the subject. The Mi Mix 2S is the first Xiaomi phone to arrive with support wireless charging. It supports 7.5 watts wireless charging like the 2017 iPhones. Also, the wireless charging bed made available for Mi Mix 2S can be also used for charging other compatible phones. That's all for a quick unboxing. What's your opinion about this smartphone? Do let us know in comments below. Pricing details are provided in description. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for future updates, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.